Have you ever thought about how precious your time is? Every moment that passes is gone forever. You can't get it back. That's why today, I want to talk about something important. Don't waste your life. Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the Easy English Guide. I'm Sam. Life is short. We never know how many days we will have. Many people live without thinking. They follow routines, scroll endlessly, or worry about things that do not matter. And the worst part? They don't even notice. Time is precious. Every moment counts. Even small choices make a difference. Choosing to practice English today is better than scrolling for hours. That small effort adds up over weeks and months. Think about it. If you spend 1 hour every day learning English, that's 7 hours a week, 30 hours a month, 360 hours a year. That is a huge investment in yourself. Yet, most people waste that time. They say, I will start tomorrow, or I don't have enough time. But tomorrow never comes. Life moves fast. Waiting is the biggest mistake you can make. Living intentionally is the key. It means knowing what matters to you. It means making choices that align with your goals and values. Every action should move you closer to your dreams. For example, if you want to speak English fluently, practice daily. Read, listen, speak, and write. Don't just passively consume content. Actively engage. Small steps done consistently lead to mastery. Some people think learning English takes years. And yes, fluency does take time. But progress happens every day. Even 5 minutes of focused practice is better than nothing. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. When you speak incorrectly, you learn what not to do next time. Each error is a lesson. Each mistake is progress. Life is unpredictable. Plans often fail. Things don't go as expected. But that's okay. Challenges teach you resilience. They teach patience, creativity, and persistence. You learn to adapt and grow. The same applies to learning English. Some words are hard to remember. Pronunciation may confuse you. Listening to native speakers can feel impossible at first. But practice makes it easier. Every day, a little improvement happens. Set goals for yourself. Goals give direction. Without goals, effort becomes wasted energy. Start with small, achievable goals. Learn 5 new words daily. Speak for 10 minutes. Write a short paragraph. Track your progress. Keep a journal of new words, phrases, or sentences you practice. Celebrate small wins. Each tiny achievement motivates you to continue. Progress is not always visible immediately, but it adds up. Consistency is more important than intensity. 10 minutes every day is better than 3 hours once a week. Habits form through repetition, not occasional effort. Build small, consistent daily routines. Face challenges head-on. Don't avoid difficult conversations in English. Don't shy away from reading complex texts. Difficulties are opportunities to grow. The more you face them, the stronger you become. Sometimes, learning feels frustrating. You forget words. You stumble on sentences. You feel stuck. That's normal. Don't quit. Take a deep breath, start again, and keep moving forward. Building resilience is essential. Life will test you. You will fail. You will feel tired or demotivated. But resilience allows you to keep going. It allows you to turn failures into lessons. Time with others matters. Speak with friends, join online English communities, or practice with teachers. Conversations improve fluency, pronunciation, and confidence. Human connection makes learning enjoyable and meaningful. Avoid distractions. Social media, endless videos, and negative thoughts steal your time. Focus on what matters. Use your time to practice, learn, and grow. Quality beats quantity every time. Even small moments count. While waiting in line, review vocabulary. During commute, listen to a podcast. 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there, adds up. Small efforts build fluency over time. Take care of your health. Physical energy fuels mental energy. Sleep well, eat nourishing food, and exercise. A healthy body and mind make learning easier and life more enjoyable. Mental health matters too. Stress, anxiety, and fatigue reduce focus. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or simply relax. A calm mind absorbs more. Learning English becomes easier when your mind is clear. Be grateful. Appreciate every opportunity to learn. Every new word, phrase, or conversation is a gift. Gratitude creates motivation. It makes daily effort feel rewarding rather than tiring. Reflection is powerful. Look back on what you learned each day. What worked? What didn't? Adjust your plan. Reflection strengthens learning, keeps you on track, and helps you grow faster. Life is too short to waste. Focus on growth, learning, and meaningful experiences. Learning English is one way to invest your time wisely. It brings skills, confidence, and opportunities. Start today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. 5 minutes now is better than an hour tomorrow. Consistent action, even small, beats waiting for motivation or ideal conditions. Imagine speaking English confidently in 6 months. Imagine reading articles easily or watching movies without subtitles. Imagine thinking in English naturally. That future is possible if you start now. Don't let fear stop you. Fear of mistakes, embarrassment, or slow progress is normal. Courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is acting despite fear. Speak, practice, and engage anyway. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Every oops is progress in disguise. Each error teaches something new. Don't avoid mistakes. Embrace them. They are your stepping stones to success. Set realistic expectations. Progress takes time. Fluency is built gradually. Don't compare yourself to others. Your journey is yours alone. Small daily effort compounds into massive results over time. Integrate English into your life. Think in English. Label objects. Describe daily routines. Talk to yourself. Write short notes. The more you immerse yourself, the faster your mind adapts. Use tools wisely. Listen to podcasts, watch videos, or read stories. Choose content that interests you. Enjoying learning makes it easier to stay consistent. Motivation is easier when practice is fun. Connect learning to your goals. English opens doors to travel, work, education, or friendships. Knowing your reason for learning keeps you motivated during tough times. Always remind yourself why it matters. Build a support system. Talk to friends or mentors who encourage growth. Join communities of learners. Sharing progress, asking questions, and helping others strengthens knowledge and makes learning enjoyable. Avoid wasting energy on negativity. Complaining, comparing, or feeling jealous drains time and focus. Focus on action, improvement, and gratitude. Positive energy accelerates learning and makes life happier. Celebrate each success. Learned a new word? Spoke a sentence? Understood a difficult sentence? Celebrate. Motivation grows when you recognize small wins and you stay consistent. Progress feels real and exciting. Remember, time is your most valuable asset. How you spend it shapes your future. Learning, growth, and meaningful relationships are the best investments. Choose wisely. Act now. Life is short. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Start learning, growing, and living intentionally today. Each moment counts. Don't waste it scrolling or worrying. take control of your life. Learning English is a gift you give yourself. It improves confidence, opens opportunities, and enhances thinking. Practice daily, stay patient, embrace mistakes, and enjoy the journey. The results will last a lifetime. Finally, don't waste your life. Every day is a chance to grow, connect, and create. Use your time wisely, practice English, and live with purpose. Your future self will thank you. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start taking action today. Learn a few English words, speak for 5 minutes, or write a short journal. Every small step counts. If this video helped you even a little, like it, share it with someone who needs this reminder, and leave a comment about what you will change starting today. Your support helps this message reach more people.